Hey guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly, and today I did my own nails. So if you guys want to know how I got this simple nude nail look, then please stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually use my Rotary File on my nails to trim down, using this coarse tip on it. And just bring them down. I believe this is the one, a quaint one you can get from Walmart, from what I remember. Just gonna get them down some. And simple. And I'll be back as soon as I get these all done with this tip on the Rotary File. So with my initial rough file done, I'm moving on to a finer grit piece. Just smooth and round out any sharp edges. And just continue on. So, see you as soon as I'm done with this part. Now that everything's a bit smoother, I'm going to take my buffer head and just finish up. Make sure everything's smooth as can be. And I'll be back. So now that everything's nice and buffed, I'm going to apply some of my cuticle oil. So that way I can simply just apply it, rub it in, apply, drop, apply, drop, apply, drop, apply, drop. Then I'm just going to simply rub it in. I have not done my other hand yet. And let that soak for a minute. So that way it can get nice and in there. So now I'm going to be applying my LA Colors Mega Grow A&E treatment to my nails. Just a simple single coat to help strengthen and grow my nails. And I will let that dry and move on to the next step. Next, I'm going to be using my Queen Latex Tape, which is a simple cuticle guard. Prevent any mishaps with the actual polish. I like applying it over the tip of the finger too, is if I go over a little bit. And I shall do the rest of the fingers off camera as usual. So I'm just going to add a simple base and top coat mixture combination. And just, sorry for my reach over. And just pull it because it's and as soon as that's dry, I'll be back for the next step. Next, I'm going to go in with my Funky Fingers Gesso, which is just a simple white polish, which will be our base coat for the next layer, which will be a, well, yeah, it'll be a simple, not base, but primer, I believe the term would be. Primer for the next layer. So that way it shows up a little brighter. Sorry if you can hear the dog snoring. Just going to apply this. And we're going to move on to the actual color I'm going to be using today. This is LA Colors Color Craze 116. It's a nice nude color, which I believe will look lovely on my nails. So we're going to open her up, if I can. And apply it over the white coat that we did before. And it's looking lovely. My phone buzzing. Sorry, I hit the tripod. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry, do a second coat, and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I hope you guys love it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment what video you'd like to see next. Have a great day. Love you guys. Bye. See you Friday.